Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I'm going to instruct you on how to make fondant cigars. To make a fondant cigar, all you need is some brown fondant and a fondant roller. I'm going to take a piece of brown fondant and I'm just going to ball it up in my hand. Now, what I'm going to do next is simply move my hands back and forth so I get the fondant and it starts to elongate. Now, some of you may know that when you do this effect, the snake effect, your fondant doesn't stay the same size. So in order to make it the same size, we're going to use this fondant smoother. So next, I'm going to just roll it on the counter, and then I'm going to take my fondant smoother and I'm just going to work it back and forth. This will make it the same width. It'll also make it longer. So whatever your preference is, you can make it longer or shorter. I'm simply going to roll just back and forth. The good thing about this is that it has a little texture, so it's not exactly perfect, just like a cigar. My name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and I just showed you how to make a fondant cigar.